Welcome to the Deep Dive, your shortcut to being well-informed. Today, we're doing something a little different, pretty interesting, actually.
Yeah.
We're diving into the top 5 AI news stories that literally just broke today, August 5th, 2025. But here's the twist.
Okay.
This whole deep dive, it's called AI Daily DeepDive, and it was researched and, well, generated entirely by AI.
Wow. Okay. So AI reporting on AI. That's
the meta.
But yeah, our job today is basically to unpack these 5 key developments, give you the important bits without you having to wade through everything.
Right. Let's get into it.
Let's do it.
So first up, looks like a pretty big partnership. OpenAI's open weight models, specifically GPTOS 120B and GPTOS 20B, they're now on Amazon Bedrock and Amazon SageMaker AI.
Yeah, this is significant. It's really the first time OpenAI's open weight tech is widely available like this on a major cloud platform.
And open weight means more customizable for developers, right?
Exactly. More flexibility. And that GPTOS 120B model, it's claiming some pretty impressive numbers, like 3 times better price performance than Google's Gemini.
3 times. Wow.
And it enables these big enterprise AI agents, with 128,000 token context windows.
That's huge. So it can handle really long documents.
Massive amounts of text, yeah. Think complex reports, long conversations, plus AWS guardrails are there too, supposedly blocking, 88% of harmful content?
Okay, so the big picture is making powerful AI more accessible.
Pretty much. It speeds up that trend, makes
Yeah.
advanced AI development easier for more people.
All right, so moving from cloud infrastructure to, well, the future, Google DeepMind unveiled something called Genie 3, a world model framework.
Yeah, Genie 3. This is really cool, actually. It's designed to train AI robots, but inside these super realistic virtual worlds, like think simulated warehouses or something.
So they learn without breaking things in the real world.
Exactly. They interact, make decisions, adapt, all safely in a digital space. The AI kind of builds its own understanding of that virtual world.
And it can create these worlds from text.
Right. Simple prompts like a ski slope, and then it can change them on the fly, like adding a herd of deer. It's dynamic.
Huh. Not public yet, though.
No, not yet. But it's a big step for what they call embodied AI that learns by interacting physically or virtually in this case, and, maybe a step towards AGI.
Artificial general intelligence, always the big goal. Okay, let's switch gears. Geopolitics and tech. Nvidia, they're denying claims from China's Cyberspace Administration about hidden kill switches in their H20 chips. These are the ones for the Chinese market.
Yeah, Nvidia came out pretty strong on this.
Yeah.
Their chief security officer, David Reber, basically said putting in kill switches would be a terrible idea, a huge vulnerability.
What was his analogy? Something about a car?
Yeah, like a car dealer keeping remote control of your parking brake. You wouldn't want that.
Right. Definitely not.
So, connecting the dots, this really just highlights the ongoing tensions around AI chips, exports, national security.
Technological sovereignty, all that. China's worried about backdoors. Nvidia says none exist.
That's the gist of it. A lot of distrust floating around.
Okay, from global tech tensions to personal relationships.
Bit of a change of pace.
Yeah. An NPR journalist apparently used ChatGPT as a couples counselor in her own relationship.
Seriously. Okay, AI relationship advice. How'd that go?
Well, the AI apparently offered some insights, suggested she was doing, quote, burnout level emotional labor.
Huh. Interesting. But, can AI really get the nuances of human relationships? That's the question, right?
Exactly.
You've got researchers like Myra Cheng at Stanford warning about biases in these LLMs. They can amplify stereotypes, or there's this thing called sycophancy.
Sycophancy.
Yeah, where the AI just agrees too much with the user, doesn't challenge them. And a marriage therapist called it triangulation. Useful maybe for a different perspective, but
not a replacement for actual human connection. Face-to-face vulnerability.
Precisely. You can't really replicate that empathy, that shared experience.
Makes sense. Okay, number 5, education. There's this private school, Alpha School, opening in North Carolina. Tagline is AI-powered learning.
And a hefty price tag, right? $45,000 a year.
Wow, yeah, $45,000.
So their model uses human guides more for emotional support, not direct teaching. The AI software handles about 2 hours of academics daily.
And it's mastery-based. Learn at your own pace.
Right, which sounds good, but experts point out that things like personalized learning aren't totally new. They're often just tech upgrades on older teaching ideas.
So what are the main concerns then, besides the cost making it inaccessible for most?
Well, accessibility is huge, definitely. Then there's potential selection bias in who attends and succeeds. And maybe most critically, what about student data privacy if an AI is tracking their learning that closely?
Yeah, lots of questions there. Big ones.
Mm-hmm.
So that's our 5 stories. What a ride. AI is just weaving itself into everything, isn't it? Cloud, robotics, geopolitics, relationships, schools.
It really is. Today showed that clearly. It's not just some abstract tech anymore.
Mm-hmm.
It's a force with huge potential, but also some really complex challenges.
Absolutely.
And maybe, as we keep bringing AI into more parts of our lives, the big question for you to think about is, well, where's the line?
The line.
Yeah. Between using AI's power, which is undeniably growing, and, holding on to what makes us uniquely human, something to chew on.